Today I am showing you how to make French braid. First of all, comb your hairs and separate some hair for half ponytail. Gently hold half of hairs and divide them into 3 portions and make simple braid. Now carefully add some hairs from the right side and include them in your braid. Similarly, take some hairs from the left side and include them in your braid. Repeat this process. Once the side hairs are finished, complete the braid till end. Now secure your half ponytail hair look with the hair clips. As you can see how beautiful and stylish our French braid is looking. Today I am showing you side French braid hairstyle. Make French braid from the left side to right side. Continue making French braid by adding some hair from the right side corner. Give a slight curve to your French braid and leave rest of the hair open as it is. Now finish the braid and tuck the remaining loose hairs with the hairpins on the left side corner. Make sure that the pins are tucked properly and neatly. Comb the open hairs and set them on your left shoulder. So this is how we make side French braid hairstyle. In this video, I am going to show you heart-shaped braid. Comb your hairs and make sure that your hair are not frizzy. Now take some hair from the left side and also take some hair from the right side. Once again, comb your hair for no frizz left. Now hold both the strands together and tie them with a rubber band. Comb the hair once again. Now reverse the ponytail within itself. Divide the ponytail hairs into 2 portions. Make braid with one portion. Similarly, make the braid with another portion. Bend the braids in heart shape and secure their upper portion with the help of hairpin. Once both the sides are secure with the hairpin, then hold the center portion of braids and tie them together with a small fancy clutcher. Cover the rubber band with any fancy pin or flower. See how beautiful this heart-shaped braid is looking. Thank you very much for watching. Do like, share and comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel.